video I am going to talk about on short bowel syndrome, which is abbreviated as SBS. So first I am going to define the short bowel syndrome. It is a malabsorptive disorder which is caused by either surgical removal of the small intestine or this dysfunctional portion of the small intestine. So from the definition we have learned two things. One, it is either due to surgical removal of the small bowel. It is due to dysfunction of the portion of the small bowel. So now what are the causes from the definition? Obviously there are two type of causes. One is the surgical removal and the other is congenital. So in the surgical removal, when a patient have Crohn's disease, the surgeon often remove the small bowel. And when there is malignancy or tumor, the surgeon often remove the small bowel. And when there is ischemia, when there is volvulus, and when there is atresia, the surgeon often remove the portion of the small bowel. Now the other cause of the short bowel syndrome is the congenital, when there is gastroschisis and when there is intestinal atresia. So there are two type of causes we have discussed. Now the question arises that what is the critical length that is required for a normal absorptive function of the small intestine. So the normal length of the small intestine is about 6 meter to 8 meter to 8 meter. We will call it short bowel syndrome when the length of the small lays below 2 meter. So we will call it short bowel syndrome. Now, what is the key pathophysiology behind the short bowel syndrome? So when the length of the small bowel become decreased, the absorptive surface area of the small bowel will be decreases. So when the absorptive surface area become decreased, the nutrient absorption will be decreases. There will be short transit time, and there will be bile acid loss. So when there is bile acid loss, there will no absorption of fats. There will be steatorrhea as well, and electrolyte loss as well. So now what are the clinical features of the short bowel syndrome? So when the bowel becomes short, then there will be less absorption from the GI tract. So there will be chronic diarrhea, there will be electrolyte deficiency, there will be nutrient deficiency, there will be malnutrition, and there will be steatorrhea as well, and there will be vitamin B12 deficiency, and there will be weight loss as well, and there will be dehydration as well, because the fluid, the electrolyte, and the nutrient all are lost due to short bowel. So now what can be complication that arises as a result of short bowel syndrome? Can be arise from the short bowel syndrome. One is the malnutrition, because all the nutrients are lost. The other is electrolyte imbalance, because the electrolytes are also lost due to short bowel syndrome. And the other is kidney stones, because the calcium in the lumen of the stomach bound with the fats, and it leave the oxalate free, so the oxalate is absorbed then, and it will cause the calcium oxalate stone. And the other is bacterial overgrowth. A person is short bowel syndrome, what he will think of, what he will think about the prognosis, and what he will think about the treatment of short bowel syndrome is often adopted by increasing the height of the villi, by increasing the length of the villi. It will usually take about 1 to 2 years, and which the bowel will function normally. So now, how to manage the short bowel syndrome? The short bowel syndrome will be managed by introducing the TPN, total parenteral nutrition, through the vessels to the patient, and then with the passage of time, it will be converted to the enteral nutrition. So certain mineral loss like the vitamin B12, the other electrolytes should be replaced, and the antidiarrheal drug like the loperamide and the codeine should be given to the patient, so that to increase the transit time and there's efficient absorption from the bowel. And the bile acid binder should be given, and the GLP-2 analog should be given, so that the bowel mucosa undergo regrowth. And there is another option in which the length of the bowel is increased by surgery. The name of the surgery is stapes. So all about on the short bowel syndrome. For more video, Subscribe, like, and share. So thanks for watching the video.